Hello there, adventurers. We're going to explore the captivating Diamond Valley Railway at Eltham. This unique attraction offers an experience like where you can embark on a thrilling journey through tunnels over and enjoy a miniature ride every 10 minutes. The best part, kids and adults can both enjoy this adrenaline-filled adventure. But don't be put off by the long queue, it's completely worth the wait. Tickets are only for per person, making this a super affordable day out. And if you're celebrating a special occasion, they even have a dedicated area for parties. Don't forget to subscribe and hit